Math Strategy 12 for the PSAT is to write an algebraic equation. So you can get by on a lot of PSAT questions without actually having to write an algebraic equation and solving it. You could do things like guessing and checking and looking for patterns and things like that. But sometimes the best method is just to write an equation and solve that sucker, like so. So on this question, ticket sales receipts for a music concert totaled $2,160. 3 times as many tickets were sold for the Saturday night concert as were sold for the Sunday afternoon concert. 2 times as many tickets were sold for the Friday night concert as were sold for the Sunday afternoon concert. Tickets for all 3 concerts sold for a very cheap $2 each. Find the number of tickets sold for the Saturday night concert. Okay, so notice that all of the Saturday and the Friday, they're put in terms of the Sunday afternoon concert. So let's use the Sunday afternoon as our X. So X equals the number of Sunday tickets sold. So let's see, it says 3 times as many tickets were sold for Saturday, so that's 3X. That's equal to the number of tickets for Saturday. And then it says 2 times as many for Friday, so that's a 2x, that's equal to Friday's ticket sales. Alright, so if I add up all of those tickets and multiply them times $2 each, I should get my grand total of $2,160. So there's an equation that I can write. $2 times all of my tickets, so that's x plus 3x plus 2x, should equal a total of $2,160. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by 2 first rather than distribute through there, just because it's going to make this number on the right side smaller. So on the left side here, add up all my x's. I get, that's 4 plus 2 more 6 x's is equal to 2,160 divided by 2. So 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 1 no times, so 16, that's 8, and 2 into 0 is 0. Now, I could solve this for x, and then I could plug x times 3 to get Saturdays, or I could just solve this thing for 3x. If I solve it for 3x, then I get Saturdays in a little bit, maybe one fewer step. Okay, so to get 3x from 6x, all I have to do is divide this thing by 2. Divide it by 2, and I'm going to get 3x. So dividing 1080 by 2, I get 540. So that's how many tickets must have been sold on Saturday, which is D. Done.